So, I've never done anything like this before, but I'm finna put my homeboy on the spot. I'm trying to get a reaction. I'm over here at Home Depot, and in order to find out if something is the way that you think that it is, you need to have other people tell you. So, I'm finna put him on the spot. Hold on for a minute. D Hicks, you on the phone? You on the phone? You are? When you get out the phone, let me know. When you get out the phone, let me know. All right. Give me a moment. I'm finna put him on the spot. Matter of fact, so I'm finna put you on the spot. I need you to try this. Okay? I see you smiling already. Hold on, I need to turn the camera around. Hold on, I need. Hold on for a minute. Let me turn the camera around. All right. So I see you smiling already. So I need you to try this for me. Come on, get out the wind. Come on, get out the wind. So I need you to try this. Now you know me and you don't lie to each other. So see what this tastes like.
It smells good.
Okay. What it smell like?
It smells like cherry.
Smell like cherry. Okay. Tell me what you think about that. I see your face, D. I talk about it, but I don't never share this with nobody. Well, D, I see you going for 2 spoonfuls and you ain't said nothing, D.
You're mine, right?
That's yours, D. What you think about that? You well, that's 3 spoonfuls and you really ain't said nothing. So I mean, it can't be too bad because I probably would have got just 1 spoonful out of you. So you thinking that it's all right?
I like that too.
You like that? You taste that smoke, right? Okay. All right, done deal. So I just wanted to see if it was good, because I know it's good to me. Now you know you're the first person I never gave some of that to, because I don't want nobody to ask me to make no more. So there you have it. Evidently it ain't just good to me. That's that cherry smoked catfish. It's the bomb. Appreciate you, Dick. Ooh, I wish I would have got that on there. You said Prince is gonna be mad at you. Man, you know what? I could blackmail you on this and say I gave you that to give some to Princess. And
don't blackmail me.
Man, you know what?
You blackmail me.
You know what?
I'm gonna take you.
You left some? Okay, good. I can eat the